challenges for artificial intelligence implementators, but also for customers that wants to AI being everywhere in their companies. First challenge is people don't understand how artificial intelligence works. For managers that are especially with industries that are far away from technology, like industrial manufacturing, artificial intelligence is really something that needs a lot of time to understand. And I don't blame anybody for that because these people are experts in their verticals, like manufacturing, like pharmaceuticals, like procurement. But when it comes to artificial intelligence, many things that are in here are very hard to crack for them, including something that the AI is huge, it's everywhere, but at the same time is unpredictable, for which for some people sounds like not reliable. People also think, don't blame them, that's what it's coming from media and all these articles, that AI is easy. You basically upload anything and you get the perfect, polished, accurate, precise results. Everybody likes the results coming out of it, but only when they are accurate. But most people find it hard to understand, especially in industrial verticals, that to get the precise results, we got to optimize a lot of things: prompts, temperature, top P factor, grounding, a number of tokens, number of outcomes, and everything when it comes to results. So when I was presenting to one customer that my other customer need to spend 12 hours prompting ChatGPT to get the perfect image of iPhone cover, that sounds like very interesting, but when it comes to working 12 hours on prompt, sounds like silly because AI is supposed to get perfect results with maybe second, third prompt, not with 123rd prompt. So that's one thing. Second, budgeting. People still don't really understand, and I don't blame them because new model was introduced to the world that big tech companies are making money selling tokens, not access, not subscriptions, but tokens. Tokens are new business model. Basically, Google last year sold like 9 billion tokens, I guess. This year it's for about 480 billion tokens, something like this. What is a token? Many people don't understand how it's being created, why we are charged for input and output, which when it comes to business, chief financial officers, I found it really hard how we can predict how many tokens we are going to consume next week and why it's so surprising. That's another thing. When I combine the first thing with the second thing, the third thing shows up, which is AI supposed to be easy and cheap. So basically, you have a company that, for instance, is dealing with a procurement inefficiencies. So because they think AI is easy, they think that you will just upload all the emails from vendors and magically you will predict the demand or supply. At the same time, it's going to be cheap. So basically, you subscribe for $50 or maybe even $10, upload your emails, and magically you get a prediction. You can get that, but then if everybody looks at that, will say, "Ooh, that prediction is not good. We see mistakes and errors right there." And that's where the story comes. Basically, people think that it's supposed to be easy and cheap, which in fact, it's not. It's not true, it's not. In some areas, it is right there. You can subscribe to monday.com or clockwise, whatever. It will read your calendar and find the empty spot for the next meeting. And it's going to cost you maybe $5 per month, if not 20, whatever. But with the sophisticated problems like inefficiency in logistic, predictive maintenance, finding a capacity for your logistic line, finding the best routes, optimizing the number of stops when the trucks are delivering, those systems need to go through what we call configuration, which in fact is not configuration. It's basically something that requires a lot of work with system prompts, fine-tuning, picking up models, testing different models against each other and things like that. And C-level managers find it hard to understand. Fourth is budgeting. People are picking up phones and meetings, running, driving cars, going to gas stations, wherever you can imagine, and cracking in to AI project estimation price. It requires brain power and experimental approach. Because AI is uncertain, that means that we need to really focus and slice that milestones to even little things more narrow than we used to do with software development. That requires time, showing up in a routine way, which build habits. Many people don't like building habits because habit hurts. I mean, good habits make the life easy, bad habits make the life worse. But building good habits takes time and require homework, which sometimes adds time. So for these reasons, all the challenges are there. The beauty of this is we are there, consultants, implementations to solve them and carry them with the C-level guys. So we need to stay ready, knowledgeable, and ready to negotiate and convince these people that AI requires different type of knowledge, resources, and understanding that usual software development process.